So you want a premium gaming headset that works well for esports. So you want something to help you graduate from casual gamers to join the ranks of the sweatiest lobbies in Warzone. Well, that is what the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro aims to be. A premium wireless gaming headset that was made to compete with the big boys in the gaming headset space. It looks like a pair of noise cancelling headphones, but it performs like a real esports gaming headset. Or at least that's what Razer says it does. So how does this actually perform, and is it worth the buy, or should you just opt for a competitor like the Astro or SteelSeries headsets? On this channel, we have reviewed a ton of the most popular gaming headsets on the market, so stay tuned to find out how the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro actually stacks up. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro is a wireless headset constructed of mostly black plastic, with Y-shaped struts of stiff wire connecting the ear cups to the headband. Memory foam padding covers the underside of the headband and the ear cups, which are also wrapped in a breathable fabric to reduce heat. I found the overall fit was comfortable, clamping was light, and I had no issues wearing them for long sessions. You also get some controls on the left ear cup, which includes a volume knob, two 3.5mm cable jacks for wired connections, and a detachable mic, a USB charging port, a microphone mute button, and a power button. You get a 2.5 GHz dongle out of the box, so connection couldn't be easier. The wireless range is about 40 feet, and I was impressed how strong the signal was, even between rooms. This should work perfectly on your PC, PlayStation, or Switch, although Xbox lacks some of the capabilities, so players will have to use the 3.5mm headphone jack. I was disappointed that it lacks Bluetooth compatibility, so I would like to see that added on future models. I was blown away by the battery life, which should last you for around 24 hours depending on your settings and volume level. I also appreciated the charge time, which typically takes around 3 hours for a full charge, and you can use the headset while it's charging. You also get a handy automatic power saving mode that shuts down after a selectable period of inactivity to save you some battery. Unfortunately, this does lack a battery percentage indicator, which would have been a useful add-on. You also get an impressive amount of customization through Razer's companion Synapse software. You can make any necessary tweaks to your audio thanks to the 10-band equalizer that also features multiple presets. I could customize my soundscape further by using some of the enhancements, which include a bass boost and a sound normalization, which I noticed reduces sudden volume increases while also emphasizing higher frequencies, and a vocal clarity to enhance dialogue. Synapse also lets you enable THX spatial audio, which I found refines the sound detail and gives you an immersive sound experience. You can also calibrate the surround effects manually for different games. Unlike the JBL Quantum 800, it lacks programmable RGB lights, but you still get comprehensive control over your audio. I was impressed that Synapse gives you customizable settings for the microphone, which also lets you access an equalizer to dial in your optimal settings. This also comes with enhancements that feature things like voice normalization, vocal clarity, and ambient noise reduction, along with the adjustable noise gate that really helps me filter out unwanted background noise. The mic monitoring feature even gives you control over how much of your microphone output you hear as well. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro headset delivers a fantastic sound quality and offers you some really solid versatility here. I found that the Razer Triforce titanium 50mm drivers were very powerful, and the bass response is excellent with plenty of clarity and presence, although it's not a sub bass level. The mid-range was nice too, but the high frequency response wasn't the best I've heard, though I thought in-game sound and left-right panning was outstanding, and this gave me a good sense of the space and enhanced my esports experience, especially with the THX enabled. And you'll find that these are good for music too, thanks to the wide frequency response range. This also features a 9.9mm hyper clear supercardioid microphone, which is a significant improvement over the predecessor, the BlackShark V2. The microphone exceeded my expectations and my voice rang through clearly with no fuzziness and distortion. It also comes with a sizable windscreen to further reduce any ambient noise. Overall, I think that the BlackShark V2 is a solid headset, and I think that the BlackShark V2 Pro is worth the jump. It gives you impressive audio, strong wireless connectivity, and an outstanding battery life, and various customizable features and audio enhancements from the companion software. I believe this is one of the best headsets on the market today, given the price point. I think someone who's considering it as a serious gamer or an esports enthusiast that doesn't want to get into the price range of the Astro A40 or A50s or the SteelSeries Arctis Pro, the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro is a perfect place. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all of the items mentioned, check out the description. If you guys learned something or found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.